When it comes to protecting your Love's Park home, one of the most important investments you can make is installing weather-resistant windows. The fluctuating weather conditions in the area, from harsh winters with freezing temperatures to hot, humid summers, can take a toll on your home. Weather-resistant windows are specifically designed to provide protection against the elements, helping to maintain a comfortable and safe indoor environment. In this article, we'll explore how weather-resistant windows can protect your home in Love's Park, improve your energy efficiency, enhance security, and provide lasting value for years to come. Protection against harsh weather conditions. Love's Park experiences a variety of weather conditions, including strong winds, rain, snow, and temperature fluctuations. Traditional windows may not be able to withstand these elements, leading to potential damage over time. Weather-resistant windows are designed to protect your home from these challenges. Strong frames and glass. Weather-resistant windows typically feature reinforced frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which are durable enough to stand up to harsh weather conditions. These materials are also resistant to warping, rotting, and cracking, ensuring that your windows maintain their strength and performance for years. Double or triple glazing. Weather-resistant windows are often equipped with double-glazed or triple-glazed glass. These layers of glass create an insulating barrier that helps keep your home protected from the cold in the winter and heat in the summer. Additionally, these windows are less likely to experience cracks or breakage during extreme weather events, providing better safety and protection. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of installing weather-resistant windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency in your home. Inefficient windows can cause energy loss, as heat escapes during the winter and warm air enters your home during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing your energy bills. Insulation. Weather-resistant windows are designed with superior insulation features, such as argon gas between the panes of glass, which helps reduce heat transfer. This means that your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, without putting excessive strain on your HVAC system. Low-E glass coatings. Many weather-resistant windows feature low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. These coatings reduce the amount of solar heat gain in the summer, which helps keep your home cooler and reduces the need for air conditioning. Reduced drafts. Properly installed weather-resistant windows are sealed tightly, preventing drafts and air leaks. This ensures that warm or cool air remains inside your home, improving comfort and reducing the need for heating or cooling. By improving energy efficiency, weather-resistant windows not only protect your home from the elements but also help you save on energy costs in the long run. Enhanced comfort and climate control. The fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels in Love's Park can make it challenging to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Weather-resistant windows help ensure that your home stays comfortable, regardless of the season. Consistent indoor temperature. The insulation and tight seals of weather-resistant windows help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home. Whether it's a cold winter day or a hot summer afternoon, These windows prevent temperature fluctuations, keeping your living spaces more comfortable. Humidity control. Weather-resistant windows also help regulate humidity levels in your home, reducing the chances of condensation, which can lead to mold growth and water damage. This is particularly important in areas like basements or kitchens, where humidity is often higher. Noise reduction. Many weather-resistant windows come with features that help reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. This is especially valuable if you live near busy roads or other noisy areas in Love's Park. Improved security and safety. Weather-resistant windows are not just about weather protection, they also offer enhanced security for your home. Older, weaker windows can be an easy entry point for burglars, especially if they have damaged frames, loose locks, or single-pane glass. Stronger materials. Weather-resistant windows are made from tougher materials, such as impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames, making them more difficult to break into. These windows provide added security by making it harder for intruders to access your home. Multi-point locking systems. Many weather-resistant windows come equipped with multi-point locking systems, which offer greater security than standard locks. These systems ensure that the window is securely fastened to the frame, making it more resistant to tampering or forced entry. Shatter-resistant glass. In addition to being resistant to weather-related damage, weather-resistant windows often feature shatter-resistant glass, which can prevent glass from breaking into shards during an impact. This adds an extra layer of safety, especially for homes with children or pets. Long-lasting durability. Another advantage of weather-resistant windows is their durability. These windows are built to withstand the harsh conditions they will face, whether it's extreme temperatures, high winds, or heavy precipitation. By installing weather-resistant windows, you're making a long-term investment that will protect your home for years to come. Low maintenance. Weather-resistant windows are designed to be low maintenance, requiring fewer repairs and less upkeep compared to traditional windows. The durable materials used in these windows are resistant to fading, cracking, and warping, ensuring that your windows continue to look great and perform well over time. Resale value. Homes with weather-resistant windows are more attractive to potential buyers, as they offer better protection, lower energy costs, and enhanced curb appeal. This can increase your home's resale value should you decide to sell in the future. Conclusion. Weather-resistant windows are a crucial investment for any Love's Park homeowner. They offer a range of benefits, including protection against harsh weather, improved energy efficiency, enhanced comfort, better security, and long-term durability. By upgrading to weather-resistant windows, you can protect your home from the elements, save on energy costs, and create a safer, more comfortable living environment. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, choosing weather-resistant windows will give you peace of mind and lasting value for years to come.